Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network latest video. We're in a Mini Countryman right now and we have the airbag lights on. We're going to show you the iCarsoft EU Pro, which covers European manufacturers. Hopefully going to allow us to diagnose and reset this airbag light fault. Now the tool, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video because there are fakes and clones on the market, and unfortunately they can cause damage to your vehicle. They won't work like they should, and they literally won't last very long at all. So if you want to make sure you're getting a genuine product, please use the links in the description below the video. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port of this Mini Countryman. The procedure is really going to be the same for any vehicle that that the tool covers. We're going to show you diagnosing the fault and then resetting the fault and getting rid of the warning light. So click onto Diagnostics and we're going to select our manufacturer, which is Mini. Okay, I'll click on to automatically search in this case. Click onto manual because this will allow us to manually select the system that we want to diagnose instead of the tool going through and diagnosing the whole car, which takes a bit longer. So we're going to find the airbag system, which is SRS Supplemental Inflatable Restraint System. So click OK to that. And we'll go to read fault code. We've got 93097C, side airbag driver resistance too high. And then 9309C4, driver seatbelt buckle contact communication fault. So we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which is what's causing the airbag light. We have put the connection back together, but that alone will not turn off the airbag light. You do need a tool like this to actually do the reset. So we can do that by just clicking on clear fault memory, clicking on enter, and we've got one final warning message here which states fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? So watch what happens to the airbag light when I click enter here. The airbag light is gone and we have erase operation done on screen here. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft EU Pro kit, which, as I say, does cover European manufacturers. Just go back, yeah. So it covers all systems like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission. It does pretty much everything. But if you are interested in this tool, as I say, just make sure you use the links in the description below this video, because that will take you to a genuine and official product. As I say, there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and they can cause damage to your vehicle. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.